Okay, we got here and this was for no air, obviously frozen up. So I know the air's running, but the fan wasn't running on the furnace. So we are going to, while I'm here, I might as well do a heat exchanger check. This is a 58MCA060 from 2000. So we'll get into it right now. Do I see any obvious signs? No. The blower wheel is free. We'll check the capacitor while we're here, but I'm thinking it's the control board. But we'll find out here in a minute. Hold on, let me get it apart. Okay, we got it out. Let's see what we got going on. Way down here on the floor. Oh boy. Let me scoop my butt in the furnace. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Freaking tiny butt in here. Oh. Ouch. Ooh, screws. Oh. Oh, man. Lost my light. Get the light back on. Sorry about the video. That's just caulk. Barely anything. Well, I don't know what happened. Hit a button. I'm strapped. I'm in confined space. A 60,000 BTU furnace. Heat exchanger's not rusted through, so let me get out of here. Okay, you might want to do your maintenance on your blower. It's a bit dusty. It lasts a little longer. Okay, let me put this back in and we'll figure out why the blower's not running. We'll figure that out in a second. Okay, so I got everything back together, figures. And I go to start it up and capacitor's good. Board's not burnt. And the blower's bad. Let's see. Let's see if it'll lock up. Probably will. Let's see if I got a call yet. Before it didn't want to even start. Now it barely wants to start. So, got a bad blower. 20-year-old system. I mean, you can put blower motor in it. But that's it for this one. See you in the next one.